Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to take a franchisee of India's second largest retail channel, that is the medplus. So in this video I am going to tell you everything, but before that, if you are a pharmacist or you want to start your own pharmacy, or you are already started but can't able to grow and want to grow, then you can join our 9-day workshop on retail pharmacy business management, where we will teach you everything related to the retail pharmacy operation, right from the cash flow management, right from the inventory, right from the profit analysis, software analysis, then location analysis, and even how you can grow your business. So for more details, just fill the Google form which is given in the description, or you can call to this number. So let's begin. So medplus is started 18 years before. So there are a lot of stores. They have around 4,500 plus outlet in different 12 states, and even 46,000 plus SKUs all over their stores. They have 23,000 plus employees as well, and 1,100 private label brands. It includes 700 plus brand for the medicines and other brand for the food categories. So there are three models they are invented. First is FOFO, franchise owned, franchise operated. Means you can, if your existing store is there, or if you want to start a new, you can operate your store as usual, but you can use the brand of the medplus. Okay, so that is FOFO model, franchise owned, franchise operated. Second one is COFO, company owned, franchise operated, where the medplus will completely give you the setup and everything they will able to help you. So that is the COFO model. And the next one is the master franchisee, where you can take the multiple franchises of them. Okay, so if your store is existing, then definitely you can go with FOFO model. But if you want to need complete help of the franchisee, then COFO model is better for you. So about the margin, how much margin you will get. So basically, you know, the medplus is providing lot of margins to the customers as well. So they vary differently. Even their private label ranging from 70 to 80% margin. Some branded medicines are 20% or more than this. So average margin that the franchisee partner can get is like for branded medicines 5 to 7%, for FMCG 5%. For insulin products it is 3%, but for the private label, their brands, it is 20 to 25%. For their FMCG private label brands, it is 7 to 14%. So basically, if you can calculate average margin, it will be 14% of the margin they can able to give you. So few responsibilities of the franchisee partner should be, the all cash and all transaction has to be noted to the medplus company. Second one, in case of the expiry, near expiry product, they can have to submit before 2 months of the expiry to the company for replacement. The company's their repairing or the maintenance cost has to be borne by the franchisee only. Then the training will be given by the medplus. Few responsibilities are those, but again few regulations, like first, the invoice value, which is the amount which is given by medplus to franchisee partner, are the net values. It means after MRP minus the discount and taxes, the deduction, whatever the amount is remaining, that is net value. On the basis of that, the margin will be given. So margin will be average 14 to 15%, as I said. Then franchisee partner can't able to work on other businesses rather than pharmacy in that premises. Security deposit has to be taken by medplus and it is non-refundable. Then all the products which are sold in medplus franchisee outlet, that can be only given by the medplus. No third party products are allowed here. So these are the few regulations, but now we are going to check the other questions. The first question, area required. So it will be 300 to 800 square feet, 14 feet is the frontage. Then the agreement should be 5 year of agreement. In FOFO model, the agreement is within like landlord and franchisee partner, but in COFO model, medplus and franchisee partner is the that agreement. Which is the ideal location for this franchisee? So basically, nearby residential area where the parking are enough. Okay, and this is nearby road or the major road. This is the ideal location by the for the medplus franchisee itself. Then what is the investment? Investment will be differ from 15 lakhs to 20 lakh, depend on the model you take. Then what are the support given by the medplus? The first support is complete training, the second support the inventory management, third is the company that outlet launch. These are the support given by the company. Then the next one, what is the profit margin can anyone earn? So basically it is the 14 to 15% as I say, but let us calculate if anyone has any like outlet and their sale is 10 lakh per month, but there are some deductions like employee salary, then the rent, then the electricity, then credit card payment, then others. So all expenditure if we calculate, and on the basis of that if there is margin you can calculate. So it is like on the 10 lakhs of per month sale, 40,500 is around the profit margin you can get by deduction of everything. Okay, so this is the basically I'm telling. So now if you can able to start the medplus franchisee, how you can direct communicate with the medplus official channel or the website. Okay, this is not a sponsored video, but I'm sharing you all information about this franchisee so that you can get complete help, so you can communicate with them. But as per my opinion, you can definitely try for the medplus franchisee if your area has a lot of competition and the discount competition is lot of there. Otherwise, if there is not such things, then you can start your own, because ultimately these companies are given the commission on the overall sale. You are using their brand, but if you are able to start everything by own itself, then you will get a more margin also. Again, you have to create everything, the system, customer relationship management, these are. But medplus is already present in India since 18 years. So there all that kind of the brand, that kind of the trust the people gain. So from the day one itself, you will get a customer. But if you started your own, it takes a few time. So if you can you have the competition, go with the franchisee, right, medplus. Otherwise you can start your own. That is my honest opinion. But if you want to learn everything related to the retail pharmacy, you can join our 9-day workshop on retail pharmacy business management. I'm giving all the details in the description. For more details you can call to this number. So I hope you completely understood this franchisee business model and you have clear idea about this. So for such content, you can just subscribe our channel, stay connected with us, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you all the best.